Hi guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for artificial intelligence research. To use ChatGPT for artificial intelligence research, you can ask questions related to AI and machine learning. ChatGPT is a language model that is designed to generate natural language responses to your queries. You can ask it about different AI topics such as natural language processing, neural works, reinforcement learning, deeper learning, and more. Here are some examples of questions you can ask ChatGPT for AI. First is, what is natural language processing and how it is used in AI? Next is, can you explain how neural works work and give an example of their application in machine learning? What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, and which one is more commonly used in deep learning? How does reinforcement learning work, and what are some real-world applications of this technique in AI? By asking this type of questions, you can gain a deeper understanding of AI and its application, and you can use the knowledge gained from ChatGPT's responses to inform your research and work in the field. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!